Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export a Replit app to GitHub. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Replit dashboard, open up your app that you want to export, and then come here and click on this tools and files section. From here scroll down and click here on Git, and then click here on settings. We need to configure a connection. So here you'll see GitHub. It is currently disconnected. Click here on sign in, and then I want you to go ahead and click on connect to GitHub source control. It'll open up this pop-up. We need to authorize Replit. So once we have authorized this, we are now being redirected, and you'll see that we have connected successfully. Now what we need to do is commit our author. So this one right here is our profile. So I have committed this one, as you can see, and then we need to enter the remote URL. What I need you to do is go to GitHub, and I need you to click on this plus icon, and we'll create a new repository. And what I need you to do right here, I want you to scroll down and just enter a repository name. I'll just name this one test, and then scroll down. Make sure you don't have a readme. Do not have these as well, because Replit will go ahead and handle the initial file structure itself. Create your repository, and after that I want you to copy this URL. I want you to paste in this remote URL. Click here on save. After that, click here on create remote, and we have our Git provider as GitHub. Repository location, I'll leave it as personal. Repository name, I'll leave it the app name right here, and this is just a description. We'll leave this one to be public, and then click on create repository on GitHub. There you go, create a repository on GitHub. I'll come back here to GitHub, and then I'll click on this three horizontal lines, and here you can see we have our apps repository created right here. After that, I want you to come back here to Replit. Click here on push branch as. We're basically pushing the code right now to GitHub, so I'll confirm for this session. And as you can see, if you have any changes later, you can come here and commit those changes as well. So then you just come here, sync with remote, and it will sync all the changes that you will end up having later on. Now, if we come back here to GitHub, as you can see, the files are here. I can refresh and show you as well. All the files are available. And that is how to export a Replit app to GitHub.